So the first thing to notice again is we're differentiating an integral. So that is our fundamental theorem that relates the derivative and the integral together. Second thing to notice is that we need to have a number to a variable, and here we do not have that. So we need to flip these signs. So when I flip it, it will become a negative integral 1 to cosine x square root of 1 minus t squared dt. And then we're taking the derivative with respect to x of that integral. All right, so now we are in the form of a number to a variable. So now we focus exclusively in on our integrand, and we say that this variable of integration, this t, is going to get replaced with that upper bound. So this will become the square root of 1 minus cosine squared x. Do note that we had a negative that was part of that flipping the bounds. That is going to come straight down. So the negative is still going to be there. But the derivative notation, the integral notation, that is all gone. And then we multiply that by the derivative of the upper bound. So the derivative of cosine is just negative sine x. Now, there is simplification that can obviously happen here. You have a negative times a negative, so that's just going to give us a positive expression. And then the other thing to notice is this 1 minus cosine squared by the Pythagorean identity is sine squared x. So just like we talked about in the last example, the square root square cancel out. We get the absolute value of sine x times sine x. And that is our simplified answer.